Grand awakening, Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree, book a massage, check out the music, NFTs, the ebooks. Great products are there. Your word of the day is choice. Aries, you have a choice to be your best self or your lowest frequency of self. Do not let anyone define who you are or tell you what your trajectory, what your journey is going to be, what your ultimate manifestation and blessing is going to be. Do not let anyone limit your potential because you are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul. So make sure you sail the waters that you decide. I choose serenity, light, and positive energy. No matter what I go through, I choose happiness. I rise above fear and direct my thoughts to God. You are so close to breakthrough. You evolved so much even from a year ago. There's a lot of energies out there that do not want to see you go to the next level. There's a lot of energies that are testing you to see if you really want to excel to this next level. Lean in. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.